For today's writing, I want you to write your prediction about the book Night Noises, written by Mem Fox and illustrated by Terry Denton. Think about the picture. What characters do you see? What are they doing? How are they feeling? Why? What can you see in the room? Why do you think the book is called Night Noises? What noises do you hear at night? What do you think will happen in the story? Write and draw your prediction about what you think the story is about. Here's Miss Taylor's prediction. Oh, look at her wow picture. I can see the old lady and the dog that were from the front cover. They look shocked and maybe scared. It looks like there's something out the window. I can see lightning. I can see, it looks like a ghost. It's very dark outside. It must be nighttime. They look a bit scared or worried or shocked. Well, if I saw a ghost, I think I'd feel that way as well. Sometimes when there's a storm and I can hear thunder and see lightning, I get scared. Let's see what I'm going to write about. I think the book Night Noises is about an old lady called Eve and her dog Toby. I think there will be a scary storm on Halloween. They will hear thunder and spooky noises from a ghost outside. In the morning, they will realise the noise was just a tree branch scraping the roof in the wind, and not a ghost after all. Now it's your turn. Draw a wow picture of what you think will happen in the story. Write your prediction. Begin your sentence with, I think the story Night Noises is about. Once you've done that, share your story. Read your story to an adult or sibling. Take a photo of your picture and writing, or film a video of yourself reading your prediction. Then share your picture on your portfolio in Class Dojo. Have fun writing.